Oh, the woes of barista training 101. It's so boring, and it's usually the boys teaching it in ways that make me want to sleep. Are you struggling with the concept of coffee extraction? What the f are solubles?
Solubles, by definition, are bits of matter that can dissolve in water. Coffee has a large list, but today I'm choosing 4 that are easy to detect with our palates. Good solubles are quicker to dissolve with water, while bad solubles take more time to dissolve. Lucky us. The cast of characters we will meet today are acids, caffeine, fats, lipids, carbohydrates, and fibers. It's important to note that things like grind size and brew method only change how fast these are dissolved from the coffee bean, not the content of what we dissolve. First up is our acids. These take little effort and time to shake from the cellular walls of the coffee bean. This is why under-extracted coffees tend to taste a little acidic. Acids have their place, but they need to be balanced out with our next couple of characters. Next up, we have caffeine. These solubles are easy to obtain with water and might be the most important part of coffee depending on who you're talking to. Following, we have fats and lipids. These help the body and mouthfeel of the coffee and add to the nutty sweetness typical of great coffee. This is going to be the stage where baristas prepare to end extraction time because a minute longer may introduce us to carbs and fibers. Yuck! This is where coffee starts to taste and feel like smoke, dissolved paper, starchy, and gross. These solubles take the longest to dissolve, but boy, are they present when they do. What is interesting to note is that the solubles I just described to you all stay in the cup. They're not going anywhere. So the acids, the caffeines, the fats, the lipids, those are all important and crucial to making a great cup of coffee. It's just how you balance them. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you made it this far, I'm surprised because this was corny, but I'm like having a good time. Alright, if you want to learn something more, feel free to comment below or DM me, and I'll see you later.